Ashfaq, studying ACCA at Tabani's School of Accountancy. As we all know, the world is going through a pandemic situation right now, but Tabani's School of Accountancy have come up with an excellent facility of online classes. The classes are very engaging and the faculty members are quite helpful. Furthermore, if you miss any of our sessions, we are also provided with the recordings of those sessions. The punctuality of the classes is amazing, so I would recommend you to join TSA.